A little bit more information about our Sealcraft rafts is the thermopolyurethane, the TPU material that we use. The 2000 denier TPU is layered with a film of TPU, a nylon webbing, and another film of TPU. What makes this so much more puncture resistant than a PVC product or a Hypalon product is TPU stretches. It does not puncture or tear like the other products that inflatables are made out of. The TPU that we use, the 2000 denier, from the main tubes all the way around, is 7 to 8 times more puncture resistant than a traditional PVC or Hypalon raft. The other thing is the abrasion resistance. If you hit something and it slides along here, it doesn't tear like a traditional PVC raft will. From the rub rails down, that everything is a 3000 denier TPU on the bottom of the raft, which again just accentuates the puncture resistance. But then over the top of that, we layer a clear 1 millimeter film of just clear TPU. This makes this raft virtually puncture resistant when it comes to hitting rocks or logs. It's going to bounce off, it's going to slide off, it's not going to puncture. The main thing is the internal bladder system that we have built inside of the main tubes. If this tube becomes compromised, you overinflate the valve that's the front half of the boat, and the TPU bladder that's rolled up inside automatically expands into the compromised area. The same thing will happen on the front half. If you compromise that, you overinflate the back half of the boat and it will automatically expand. It's there to get you home if something does happen. The TPU material that we're using has a UV resistance of a 15 to 20 year product, where if you leave a PVC raft out in the sunlight, it'll start delaminating a lot of times in that 3 to 5 year period. The UV resistant makes this to where you're not going to have to worry about different parts of your raft delaminating. The chemical resistance of the TPU material also is far superior. You don't have the different chemicals that can affect it like a PVC or a Hypalon. Our rafts are a patent pending TPU material. We did this to make sure that we had something far superior out there in the inflatable industry. Our rafts are the only rafts that we know of in North America right now that are outboard driven with a thermopolyurethane body. We have the tunnel hull designed with catamaran tubes here on each side of the tunnel hull. These not only add superior lift and hole shot, but they direct that water flow into the tunnel hull for keeping the pressure into the jet foot. The tunnel hull is sitting about 2 inches above your main tubes. Your cat tubes are another 2 inches below that. You can run this boat efficiently in a couple 3 inches of water up on plane. The cat tubes also act as additional abrasion resistance to your main tubes. So again, it's more of a safety feature, a performance feature, and you will be amazed at the hole shot, what you can get with our rafts.